Yo, I'm back at it again with another reaction video. This time I got my, my both bifocals on. I had to get my eyes a rest from the damn contacts. But this is another reaction video to HaHa Davis. This is when it's your first time, as a construction worker. Let's get into it.
Okay, finally a construction worker. This finna be a breeze. Get off the tractor and put the tractor on your back. I ain't coming for that. I just came to pick up a couple rocks or something. Big fella, I need you to go up to heaven, tear down heaven, and rebuild heaven. Listen, I ain't coming for that. Then I need you to blow yourself into a million pieces, then rebuild yourself. Then I need you to somersault dive into that hole, big fella, and land on your neck. What you mean, jump? This ain't no pool. I need you to swim like you in the ocean. In a back and forth motion, and then drop. And don't cause no commotion. Swim to the bottom like you a dolphin, then we're gonna put you in a coffin. I thought we was doing construction. Big fella, you thought you was doing construction? That was a stupid ass assumption. Get in that hole and bury yourself alive. Dive in like you Michael Phelps and don't ask for help. So you want me to dive in here like I'm Michael Phelps and start swimming? Ain't no water. Then I need you to rebuild the moon. It's 11:59. I need it done by noon, and I need it all done in your living room. Then I need you to get immune to drinking gas, so you'll be ready to go tomorrow. Last day. Boss.
Yo, he said I want you to officially rebuild the moon. He said it's 11:55 and I need it done by noon. I'll be damn. Well, yo, he said he calling his boss. Boss ain't nowhere around. But then on top of that, he has slippers on with his damn sweatpants tucked into his damn socks. But that's another reaction video to HaHa Davis. If you like what you see, I know it's been a minute. I'm back though. But before I go, I just want to say I'm sending all my prayers out to Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico got devastated by Hurricane Maria. Took out 100% of that island. Took out the power, took out everything. So I'm sending my prayers out there to them. So bless up to them. Stay blessed. Stay focused. Stay humble. Do whatever y'all gotta do to keep pushing. But that's my reaction to HaHa Davis. Until then, peace.